All right, boys. Happy Sunday, guys. Top of the morning. I hope you guys are doing well. Nice channel right here, guys. On beef liver. Oh my goodness. Good takedown, right? Good takedown. We want to get him this big, guys. We want to get him this big. But hey, man, not bad, guys. Flying solo in search for river monsters. Let's go, guys. Here on this Sunday.
Fish on. We may have a fish. Come on, fish. Do we have fish on? Oh yes. Fish, yes. Oh nice. Oh, good deal. Good catch. Oh, nice. Not bad, guys. Not bad. Oh my goodness, good size. On beef liver, guys. Wow, this guy's a nice one, guys. This guy's a nice one, man. I already got broken off already. Beautiful catch. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh, nothing over there, guys, but I came over here, dropped it down, and we're on, guys. Nice. Flying solo here, looking for river monsters. Look. Oh, this guy wanted to go back. He wanted to go back, guys. Oh, nice. Good deal, guys. Wow, nice, guys. Oh my good. Oh, they came off, guys. They came off, boys. Wow. It almost took the pole, guys. It almost took the pole. Let's go, guys. Flying solo. Trying to get some nice fish. Fish on. Look, I already just barely caught that one. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Fish on. Oh, a nice small one. Nice, guys. Oh my goodness. What about this one? That's a channel. It's a channel, guys. That's a channel. Nice, man. These guys. This guy looks. This guy's head is a little flat, guys. This guy's head is a little flat. Nice, man. Oh my goodness. Nice. You gotta be careful with that one, because that one can easily fly off, guys. Let's go. Here, trying to get some river monsters. Something bigger.
All right, anglers. Happy Sunday, guys. Happy 4th of July weekend. We are here, guys, tearing it up, catching nice, good size catfish. Oh my goodness. Flying solo. No Captain Roy, no partner in crime Tony, but we'll see if we can share this with him. Let's go, guys. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. Let's go.
Guys, oh my gosh, guys. This is a massive takedown, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Let's go. Oh my gosh, guys. Just got here a few minutes ago on beef liver and cut shad. Nice, guys. Oh yes, good deal. Look at that, man. Oh, this is a fat one. This is a fat one, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, this is good enough to take home. Good enough to take home, guys. Look at that beauty. Wow. These are the kind that I like, guys. Sweet catch, guys. See that? Woo, baby. Oh, baby. All right. You went for the liver. You went for the liver, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's continue. catching river monsters.